Hello everyone, it's Lucretia, your favorite baker. I am back. I know it's been a minute, but here I am. I am here to show you another adventure of my baking journey. So I already have my batter or my dry batter prepared. Now I'm adding my wet ingredients. These are the apples. Just to let you guys know, I am making a vegan apple crumble cake. I was really excited about this, but check it out. Give this batter a nice little fold. Had to add a little bit more milk in that thing. Look at that, all coming together. So now I'm making my crumble. I got my butter, I got my flour, my brown sugar. I'm about to add my cinnamon. You know I love cinnamon. Crumble all of that up together with some pecans or pecans, whichever y'all prefer. Crush them all up. I was struggling, y'all, literally. See, I would have done this with my hands, but I didn't feel like getting dirty. You know, I've been watching the Spring Baking Challenge on HBO, and it just amazes me, you know? But anywho, it's time to pour my batter into my pan. Y'all see that? Y'all see my mom? She's all up in my video. Look at that. Spread it all even. Add my little apple slices. My mom cut them up for me really thin. She's amazing at that, so I just let her do what she does best. I was trying to do something fancy, y'all, but whatever. Let's add the crumble, the fiesta, the beauty of it all. Let's do that. Look how pretty that is. All right, look at that. Thank you guys for watching. This is your favorite baker, Lucretia. And thank you so much for tuning in. See you again.